Look out there in the ocean. Is it Hapag-Lloyd? Yes, it is. It's the company that's agreed to acquire ZIM Integrated Shipping Services Limited in an all-cash deal valued at approximately $4.2 billion, or $35 per share. The offer represents a 58% premium to ZIM's closing price on February 13, 2026, and a 126% premium to its unaffected share price in August 2025, before takeover speculation began. The transaction will combine two major global container shipping lines, strengthening Hapag-Lloyd's position as the world's fifth-largest carrier. The merged company will operate more than 400 vessels with total capacity exceeding 3 million 20-foot equivalent units, TEUs, and projected annual cargo volumes above 18 million TEUs by 2027. The expanded network will enhance service offerings across key trade routes, including Trans-Pacific, Intra-Asia, Atlantic, Latin America, and East Mediterranean lanes. Hapag-Lloyd is also a partner in the Gemini Cooperation Network with Maersk. A key component of the deal addresses Israel's special state share in ZIM, which grants the government certain strategic rights. To meet these requirements, FIMI Opportunity Funds, Israel's largest private equity fund, will establish a new Israel-based carrier, New ZIM. This entity will operate 16 vessels serving major routes between Israel and ports in Europe, the United States, the Mediterranean, and the Black Sea. New ZIM will assume the special state share obligations to ensure secure maritime services to Israel and will receive commercial support and network access from Hapag-Lloyd. ZIM's board unanimously approved the transaction following a review process that evaluated multiple acquisition proposals. CEO Eli Glickman highlighted ZIM's transformation since 2017, including fleet modernization, LNG adoption, digital innovation, and the distribution of $5.7 billion in dividends since its 2021 IPO. Upon completion of the merger, total capital return to shareholders is expected to reach approximately $10 billion. The deal is subject to approval by ZIM shareholders, regulatory authorities, and the State of Israel, and is expected to close by late 2026. Until then, both companies will continue operating independently. So in the meantime, to keep an eye on the up and down waves of ZIM and other market movers, try TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.